everyone, welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe, and last week we made some homemade soba noodles. Well, I promised I'd show you some classic ways to use them, and today we are going with a traditional cold summer dish, Zaru Soba. Let's get into it. The main part of this dish is our dashi-based dipping sauce. Today I'm using this vegan dashi powder. Just mix 1 packet with 1 cup of hot water. You can also use homemade dashi, which I'll have a link for down in the description. I only need about a half cup of dashi, so after I mix this, I'll reserve half of it for a later recipe. Let's pour our remaining half cup of dashi into a small pot. Bring to a simmer and add some mirin, which is a type of sweetened rice wine, then a couple tablespoons of soy sauce. Continue to simmer for about 5 minutes before chilling the sauce in the fridge. Time to cook up our noodles. These are the homemade soba noodles I made last week, which if you recall, just need to take a dip in boiling water for about 2 minutes. Then strain out the noodles and rinse them in cold water. Transfer the noodles to an ice bath to cool before serving. I'm going simple with my toppings today. First I'm going to shred up some nori seaweed sheets, then thinly slice some green onion. I'm sticking with these, but feel free to grate up some daikon or add a spoon of wasabi. Now let's serve this up. Strain the noodles and place them onto a bamboo mat so they aren't sitting in water. Pour some of our dipping sauce into a small bowl and dilute with cold water. 1 part sauce to 3 parts water is a good ratio. Let's add the green onion to the last bowl, add our nori to the top of our noodles, and give a quick sprinkle of sesame seeds. Now all that's left to do is dip this dish. Alright, let's get some of this green onion, get some of our noodles, and dip in the sauce. I totally understand why this is so popular in Japan. Everything complements each other really, really well. We have these really nutty type noodles, the freshness from the green onion, and then salty and sweetness from our dip. It is perfect together. Well, that does it for today. Let me know how you eat your soba noodles down in the comments. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Zaru Soba, I don't know. Z-A-U-O. Z-A-R-U.